KS 6 Storm Team, meteorologist Mike Stone.
A good chunk of the viewing area today saw a whole different kind of myriad of precipitation. We've been having cool air coming in from the northeast, warm air coming in from the southwest, and those two air masses have been kind of battling it out. Well, the cold air sinks, so that's been hugging near the ground. And during the first part of the day today, it was cold from the ground all the way up to the clouds. Some areas start off with snow. As the warm air started to come in well above the surface, that snow would come down, it would melt into rain, but it was still cold enough for this to freeze back into sleet pellets, or ice pellets, if you will. But as the warmer air has been getting a little bit deeper in terms of the atmosphere, this snow melts into rain and it stays rain until it hits the ground. But the ground temperatures in some areas are 32 or colder, so it falls as a liquid, but it freezes on impact. And this is what we're dealing with for northern and western Virginia right now. As that warm air expands and the ground temperatures rise above freezing in the metro and point south and east tonight, it'll be just plain old non-freezing rain, but areas well west of I-95 may not get to that point. You can see this precip coming in over the last few hours. We had a few hours of a lull, but here's that next wave coming in. It'll be followed by just some plain rain during the day tomorrow, but most of the activity now is north and west of the metro area. The radar, for the most part, is color coding this pink, so it's depicting some rain coming in, so freezing rain since the ground temperatures there are near or below 32 degrees. That's right around Farmville up towards Buckingham County and Fluvanna County. Moves right over I-64 and crosses the I-95 corridor. So this isn't one solid mass of freezing rain, but a lot of those areas have temperatures pretty close to freezing. We've even had a few reports of some snow up by Fredericksburg in northern Virginia, and some of that rain and freezing rain extending over Route 17 right now. In the metro, there's not a ton of stuff going on, just some spotty precip, but we are seeing a little bit of light freezing rain hitting far northwestern Henrico County, central and western Hanover, and central and eastern Goochland counties. Downtown out at the airport, it's 33 degrees, 34 in Chester, 33 in Winter Park, but we still have a few spots pretty close to freezing, so we may still have some patchy icing in the metro the next couple of hours, but temperatures should warm up as that southerly wind starts to boost temperatures ever more so slightly. So we're in kind of the mid to upper 30s south and east of the metro, but we're still hovering pretty close to freezing north and west. Some additional rainfall producing some ice tonight. North and west of the metro could be as much as another tenth or quarter of an inch farther towards the north and west. You can see this is the area of greatest concern well north and west of the metro. In fact, we have a winter storm warning in effect for those areas. Might be a little bit of snow to the north, but generally freezing rain with additional ice accumulations for areas well west of I-95. For the Richmond metro area, maybe a few slick spots, but north and east, Hanover County up throughout parts of Fredericksburg over towards Tappahannock, untreated surfaces may still be a little icy. That winter weather advisory is in effect until about 4 a.m. So here's the wintry mix tonight, some freezing rain. As we get closer to daybreak, there may still be a few icy spots north and west, but this should be just plain old rain for everyone else. We'll see some periods of rain during the day Monday, and on Tuesday we'll have another little batch of some light rain come through, but as the cold front pushes through, it might be cold enough towards the tail end of that to get an hour or two of some wet snowflakes, but no big deal with that. We'll be up close to 50 tomorrow, but only 41 on Tuesday. It will be dry and chilly Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And watch one system for next weekend with some rain and snow showers, highs in the 30s. As of now, it does not appear to be a big storm. John?